What is up, guys? This is Red Devil Pyro. I'm here at the TNT warehouse, going to be doing a Freedom Fireworks assortment unboxing for you guys. This is the gold medal assortment. We're out here. There's going to be background noise, so sorry about that in advance. But I'm going to be showing you guys. This is the 2026 gold medal box. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the whole entire assortment for you guys. Alright guys, I flipped it around for you guys. I'm going to do an unboxing of this real quick for you guys to show you everything that comes into the Freedom Fireworks gold medal box. Again, sorry about the background noise. We're outside of the warehouse doing this for you guys. Right. So it looks like it's a box on the outside and two trays. We're going to slide out the trays. Got tray one. It comes in a two tray. Kind of reminds me of the color party. So I'll put this box right here. So I'm gonna show you guys, flip this around, show you guys real quick. This is the top part. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the top part of it. Everything that comes in here. And I'll show you guys individually all the items. And then this is the bottom half right here. A lot of this stuff was in the color party. So I'll show you guys real quick. Trying to make the video real quick before we set up for Freedom demo night tonight. So let's bust this open real quick. Big shout out to TNT for letting me come out and do this video. So from the bottom, we're gonna start with the Pinata Buster. I'm gonna try to move back. We got the Freedom Pyroglastic. We got the Freedom Global Lights. We got the Star Master. We got the Pyro Fire. This one's kind of light. Other ones were kind of heavy. Then we got a box of the flashing fountains. Next we got the Lemon Lime. I haven't seen this one, so it's kind of like the new item for the box. This is my all-time favorite. Combustion Chamber. I love the graphic on this one. It's a 2-tube, I believe. And we got a whole box of the shark assortments. These are kind of cool. They have different colors and different effects on these. Mr. Crackle. I believe this is a newer one. I haven't seen this one. So Mr. Crackle on that. Frosty, another new one. This one's kind of heavy. It's called Outbox. None of these say what they do, but. And then my all-time favorite is Dancing Sombreros. And then we got two more in here. We got Squash, nice little fountain. And then we got Raging Zombies. I feel like this one's smaller this year. So that was the top half. We're gonna move over here and do the second half of it. Alright, so this is the bottom half of it. Let's make sure you guys are on focus. So start from the top, go back. Alright. Up top we got Silver Snow Fountain. We got Divas. Oops, sorry. Divas. It's another box round. Yeah, orange float. That's a new one. I haven't seen that one. And up here we got flashing fountain. And we got lightning flash. And then we have the 2 fountains in 1, which is triumphant. I haven't seen this one. It's called Hornet's Nest. Cool little fountain. We got the parade. That's a new one. What else we got? Got glitter sparks. This is the dazzle. We have night frost. I believe that one was in the color party. This one's also in the color party. This is called front row. It's a nice big assortment or fountain. And then we got another 2-pack. There's 2 fountains in here. It's right in the middle. It's called Stand Out. And then last but not least, we got Radiant. So that's everything that comes in the gold medal assortment. I'll show you guys one more time. This is everything you get. And I'll plug the price in here for this year's price. So if you guys are interested in buying the gold medal Freedom Fireworks assortment, that's what everything comes in here. I'll try to do more assortment unboxing for you guys. But for now, shout out to TNT. In the background, you guys could see they're setting up the Freedom Night demo night. So, alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll light these in the next video. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Peace.